To prepare the Medu Vadas, take 1.5 cup of skinless urad dal, wash the urad dal 2 to 3 times to remove all the impurities. Soak the urad dal for 2 to 3 hours so that you get a nice fluffy Medu Vadas. The urad dal has nicely soaked for 2 to 3 hours. I'll drain off the excess water. Time to add the urad dal in parts and grind it. I'll add in 3 big spoons of urad dal in a mixer jar. And add 3 tablespoons of water. And proceed to grind it. Within the first few grinds, you can see it's nice and coarse. And I'll add in another 3 tablespoons of water. Time to grind it into a very smooth paste. Once the urad dal is ground into a fine paste, remove it in a bowl. Add in some salt. And baking soda. Now you can proceed to whisk the batter with your hands to incorporate air into the batter so it's lighter and fluffy. Now it's time to add the other ingredients. I'll be adding fresh coconut which I have cut into small pieces. And after that I'll be adding some chilies, curry leaves and ginger which I've cut into very small pieces. Mix the other ingredients well with the batter. Ensure your batter is nice and thick. In a heavy bottom pan, heat some oil for deep frying. Keep the flame on medium-low so the vadas get cooked from the inside and get a nice golden fry from the outside. Now you can take a flat spatula. You can use a wooden spatula or any kind of flat spatula available at home. Place a portion of the batter on the bottom part of the spatula. Dip your hand and smoothen the surface just like this. Dip in your hand once again and form a small hole in between. Make it upside down and put the tip of the vadas in the oil. And there you go. I'll repeat the step. Grease the spoon. Add in the batter. Dip your hand and smoothen the batter from the sides. Form a small hole in between. Dip the spoon in the hot oil. Let the tip of the vada touch the oil and it will automatically fall. Fry the vadas until nice and crispy golden brown. Once the vadas are fried, remove it in a plate. My vadas are now done. As you can see, the vadas have turned nice and crispy, and you can serve it with some sambar and chutney. So I hope you all enjoyed watching the video, guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. We'll see you next time, guys.